now it's like, I mean, yeah, so we just broke structure to the upside on GBPUSD, and now it really depends on how we retrace here. Because I would like it, in theory, I like price in theory to be able to go from here all the way up to these hourly highs. Realistically, that's probably not going to happen because we're more than likely just going to want to move lower. Now we're eyeing up a retracement here. Shoot, and we are getting it. Dude, it's because, like, if we close bullish here, I don't know. It's like, this is kind of a risky trade because I don't really think we're going to get up to these highs, but in theory, this entry does look pretty good. So, I will consider this trade. If price is, I definitely need to tighten my stops somewhere else, though. So likely they're going to have to go below these lows. But I still feel like price is going to want to reverse off this 30-minute gap and go lower. But if we end up being above the gap by the time we're entering, that would also be pretty cool. That'd be pretty good. Euro may want to move higher. Maybe at the 30-minute gap, I could see that happening. Oh, great. And now I'm not even ready to answer. Well, this sucks. Okay, we're in long here. I think this likely would play out. It's not my best trade though. I'll admit that. Okay, so it looks like we'll close off like 700K probably if we're gonna take profit. Also, I can close this early because I only need like 350 bucks in order to pass the first step of my demo eval. So if price can just get like a super good like leg higher, then I can just like instantly close out of my position. Um, and this is take profit 1, take profit 2 is all the way up here. I just really think that right now higher time frame holds higher power, and likely we'd want to get a long move more than we'd want to get a short move. And I feel like we're lacking on a retracement for Euro. We're honestly about to close. It's 340, so like literally just a little bit more bullish movement. And then that's like easily enough to take profit. Alright. Well, 347. We're gonna close out a little early there. Um, and that's like literally on the dot exactly enough to pass the first step of our eval. It's so we'll round that down to $345, which if you do the math, 4660 plus 345 is $5,005. So bang, we passed the first step of our demo eval. And yeah, that'll do it. So then now from here, for the rest of the week, we transition into trading. Jeez, we like top ticked that, bro. Now for the rest of the week, we transition into trading other sheesh like because honestly, like this could end up being a losing trade because we could in the long run end up going through the gap. I could definitely see how this would be a dumb trade because we have this resistance here.
I definitely could see how this would end up being a dumb trade if I like was still in this, but I'm already out and like we already passed it, so it's chill. But yeah, definitely, I could understand this being a bad trade. I'd rather this not play out than have it play out, because then it's just like, oh yeah, you're in a 30-minute gap. You're like, definitely, you don't want to see price go and freaking move opposite. Like you're in a 30-minute gap, you definitely don't want to see price inverse this and go up to here just because we're hitting an hourly gap. But higher time frame does hold higher power, so yeah, it's a 30-minute gap of market open, but we already completed that sheesh. It's still, it would make sense if we'd want to go from here and take out these hourly highs. But like, yeah, now it's like we're almost getting confirmation for shorts now. And if you just said no to the long because it didn't look that good, but like still, even if like, yeah, technically we should long here, but there's no confirmation until we're in the 30-minute gap. So even if we do push higher, you still should not try to take the long. So yeah, really, I don't think it would have been it was the best idea to take that long. But anyways, that'll do it for today, guys. Made $345, literally exactly enough to pass my uh demo eval. So over like the past from now, like starting from I think it's November. I think I started doing the simulation like eval like by just journaling how much money I make. I think since I started doing that at the start of November, since the start of November, we've made $5,005, which is just enough to pass my eval. So yeah, boys, that'll do it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this live trading recap. And now all we need to do is make $2,500 without losing $5,000. And then, yeah, once we do that, from there, it's like, okay, we know we can pass the eval, we know we can trade profitably. All we have to do is just actually do it on a live 50K eval. And then all I do is just buy a $300 50K eval, and then from there, we just go trade on it. So, yeah. Anyways, see you boys tomorrow for Thursday's live trading. And yeah, we'll see you guys then.